Today I'm sharing with you a very easy, quick, healthy and delicious tofu nuggets. This is a dairy-free and gluten-free recipe and I have used an air fryer for this recipe. Let's get started with the recipe. So you will need an extra firm tofu for this recipe, and you can see I'm using just a quarter of the block, and I am going to use both my hands and squeeze out the extra water. Next, I'm going to dice the tofu into bite-sized pieces. Here I have the diced up tofu, and now I'm going to season it with some salt, pepper, and some basic spices like paprika, cumin, and garlic powder. This recipe is very flexible. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. You can even add onion powder if you want, or some other like cayenne pepper or turmeric. Once you add in all the spices, try to gently mix the tofu. Now we have to keep in mind that these tofu pieces are very delicate. It can crumble very easily, so just lightly toss it so that the spices are all mixed nicely. 2 to 3 teaspoons of chickpea flour. This is also called besan in Hindi. Now we are going to very carefully and very gently toss in so that the tofu pieces gets coated with the chickpea flour. To help with the process, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of water. I think I need to add another teaspoon of water here to help nicely coat the tofu with the chickpea flour. The tofu pieces looks pretty well coated, so I'm going to get my air fryer ready. You will need parchment paper so that the tofu pieces do not get stuck at the bottom of the air fryer. Keep in mind, please use only parchment paper, no wax paper. Next, add in a teaspoon of avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I prefer using avocado when I'm cooking. The oil helps in making the tofu pieces really crunchy. Gently place all the tofu pieces into the air fryer pan. Make sure it is evenly spread out. I am going to set my air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for 15 minutes. Then, after 15 minutes, I'm going to gently flip it and cook again for another 5 minutes. And that's it. The tofu nuggets are done. I can smell the spices and they look so delicious. They look so good. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. I cannot wait to try it. Please comment below if you have any questions. Your feedback is very important to me and I always love to hear from you. And guys, I just tried one. These are so delicious, perfect as a side dish, or you can even add it into your bowls. These are awesome. They are very good, as I said, gluten-free, dairy-free, high in protein, just perfect for snack or to add it into your meals. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, then please like and share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon with a new one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.